Kia ora, kia rana, malulele, taluvalava. Warm Pacific greetings, whānau. As Phyllis said, my name is Kayte Godward. I'm the Community Relationships and Suicide Prevention Manager for Lifeline Aotearoa. Do I use that? I'm also, as Phyllis said, a professional actress and a writer and a film creative, but first and foremost, I'm a whānau member. On my taha Maori side, ko tainui te iwi, ko Ngati Tamaoho, ko Ngati Reko ngā hapu. And on my taha Pacifica side, I hail from the beautiful islands of Rarotonga and Niue. I'd like to take this opportunity to acknowledge te Runanga o Ngati Pikiao, our kaumātua from this morning, also Dame Tariana Turia, and all of the esteemed speakers who've come before me and will go on into the next 2 days. I'd also like to acknowledge everyone that's here, and particularly our friends and extended whānau, people like Dr. Monique Whaleawha, who really is leading the way, and also Judy Clements from the Mental Health Foundation, Witi Ashby, and all of the Kia Piki Te Ora coordinators up and down the motu. And a big shout out to Michael Naira, who is a real massive supporter of Lifeline, and I really appreciate that, and my mahi. So Phyllis gave you a kind of an idea of what Lifeline's been doing. We have been working in the area of prevention for the last 50 years, but I think the most fundamental change that we've made is the way that we communicate with people. Oh, it's not working. It's not very good communication, is it? Okay. Phyllis also said that we run some trainings. So we run the ASSIST program, and the ASSIST program is a 2-day suicide first aid program where we teach people specific skills on how to talk with somebody about their thoughts of suicide and how to help them keep safe for now, maybe even safe for a long time, and who knows, even safe forever. So if you'd like to talk to me a little bit, because I'm not going to go into all the training, please come and see me at the exhibition booth, and I'll talk through the trainings that we offer, but also we are funded by the Ministry of Health. They give us free seats for whānau hapu iwi and whanau and ainga. So if you're interested in those seats, please come and see me. We also have $52 seats for Maori and Pacifica NGO. During the breaks, you're going to see some web whakaaro, some web stories, and some television adverts that Lifeline made in 2011. It's called Start the Conversation Today, me timata te kōrero I tēnei rā. And the idea was for whānau, friends, family, significant others to have conversations, safe conversations with one another about suicide. In 2011, Lifeline, and particularly myself, didn't feel like we were seeing the messages that we wanted to see, and there wasn't really a space for people who have thoughts of suicide, a space of mutual respect, a space of compassion for people with thoughts of suicide. And we really wanted to help create a space there for those people, and also for all of the amazing people who support and love those people through their distress. I have been blessed with the amazing superpower of bipolar 2 disorder. So I know firsthand how hard it can be to reach out for help. I know how hard it can be to let people into your crazy, especially when the narrative that we're constantly being told is that people with thoughts of suicide are crazy lunatics. So we wanted to flip that on its head and kind of open that space up, like I said, for people like myself, so that they could step forward without being judged and talk about what's going on in their heads. In 2012, we were really lucky. Māori television came on board, and they played our adverts for an extended period of time, and that was thanks to Michael Naira, who really helped us get that off the ground. We started New Zealand's only suicide prevention helpline, 0508 Tautoko. Now that number is 24/7. It's for everyone. It's for people with thoughts of suicide, people who have been affected by the death or injury of someone as a result of suicide. It's for people who are concerned about someone about suicide, and people who have had that conversation and they just want to check in and debrief. We started the service because we knew that not everyone has somebody that is receptive that they can talk to about something as serious as suicide. And until Aotearoa New Zealand is a place where people like myself can step forward and talk about these things and not be judged, we need services like this. So in addition to the adverts, like I said, we made the 35 web whakaaro. Please check them out. It's a whole range of Māori and Pasifika people talking about why they think it's important that we talk about suicide openly and honestly with our loved ones. In 2013, we were really lucky that Piri Wepu stepped in and we extended the campaign, and it was called Back Your Mates, Back Yourself, Back Your whānau. Again, the message is look out for one another, but also look out for yourself and look out for people in your peer group. As you can see, I've done the entire presentation without any slides, so I can't show you the amazing, beautiful people that we have, which are only some of the voices that we captured. We continue to capture whakaaro, but what we really need is for people like yourselves to share this, to go and use the web stories, use the adverts as tools in your own mahi. They're for anyone. Just send me an email and I'll send you a key to download them and to get people thinking and talking about this important issue. Mauri ora.
Eddie's question was the relevance of the assist training mō tātou te iwi Māori. And for those of you kore mohi o hea te assist training, Kate will tell you.
That's a great question, thanks Kiri. Yes, it has been adapted. We've had a panel of Māori, some of them are clinicians, some of them come from the cultural perspective of, so they work together as a panel. We also have amazing people like Kiritahi Furman, who's at your table, who is one of our kaiako, and so is Māpahi. We have 12 Māori who are trainers, and what we hope that they bring to it is obviously our worldview. Yeah, kia ora.
Tēnā koe, Kate, and the kura o Ngati Rongomai is going to sing Kate's waiata.
Manini wako, tere wako, tere kihea, tere kitoi, toi kitoi, iki tia.
Kia ora, tamariki mā.